through these events, we've helped people get tens of millions of dollars in financing as well as business opportunities. So you got the right people in the room, and definitely take advantage of it while you're here today. The premise of these events, and when we started, there's really three things we focus on doing. Helping business owners learn best practices. We also want you to enjoy great networking. We'll always have tremendous people in the room, and it's important to get a chance to meet everyone. And finally, gaining useful knowledge. There's so much to learn as an entrepreneur or business owner that it's impossible to know it all, but you got to continue to learn and develop. So, we create opportunities for that here as well. And this couldn't be done without partners. We have a lot of organizations and people that we partner with that support us. Jason Martin, he's always here, always available, doing a great job for us. We've got Empower the Village. They have some amazing programs for entrepreneurs and business owners. Perfect Pitch Group, and we've got Alexander Sky Group. Also, we have some sponsors that have supported the organization, and it's great to have the support of the sponsors. So our three sponsors today, New York Life. So we got Mark Lewis here from New York Life, New York Life Benefit Solutions.
So yes, I've been graced with Andrew's presence over a number of years, a number of these events. But more importantly, I bring to you New York Life, and many of you have heard of New York Life.
And we've got TD Bank. So we've got two representatives from TD Bank. We've got Tab and Archers. Those are companies run by Gene Bohinski.
I got a lot of help and support from Andrew because a secret is he was one of the people who told me I need to do this and focus on executive assistants. So I attribute that to him. And also some of the help and ideas that he had laid out in this Masterpreneur program. But this is really something I think is unique. And I've told you this many times. It really gives you a framework to grow and scale your business through the steps you need to go through. Not just personally as a business owner, but what your organization needs to go through.
Today, what I'm going to be talking about is 10 strategic levers that scale your business. So there's three questions that we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about number one, do you know the critical path for scaling your business? Many times people are in business, but you have to be forward-sighted and understand the path that you need to follow. And over the past 15 plus years working over 1,000 business owners, I've seen the path and I've worked with people to traverse the path. The second question is, how do you go from one step to the other on the path? So we're going to talk a little bit about that. How do you move forward? Because each step is different. And then finally, what are the levers for scaling your business? Moving through the path is part of it, but scaling, there's a lot of things that you have to put in place if you're going to scale successfully. So what are these things? So these are what you can use to unlock the potential of your business. And what I call those is the Masterpreneur growth factors. And each of those 10 factors are necessary for you to move forward each step if you're going to grow your business and be successful.